Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta and today in this video I am going to talk about what an email newsletter is and 5 ways that can help you to create the best email newsletter for your business. An email newsletter is a form of online communication that allows you to send news, tips and updates about your product or business. To receive these updates, people need to join your email list by providing their email address. These users are referred to as subscribers, leads or contacts. Organizations and individuals use email newsletter in many different ways. For example, business use email newsletter to send users product information, new arrivals and the latest updates. Websites and blogs use email newsletters to send content updates, increase traffic and build a loyal following. Do you know more than 75% of people visiting your website today will never find it again? It is not your fault. It is just that the internet is so huge and a lot of content is present out there. Starting an email newsletter allows you to convert those visitors into subscribers. Once they join your email newsletter, you can stay in touch and bring them back to your website. Now, let's talk about how to make an email newsletter that delights readers. Number 1, figure out the goal of your newsletter. Before you start drafting a single word, make sure you are completely aware of the goal of your newsletter. Is your newsletter supposed to help you generate leads or generate awareness? Figure out your goal and let the rest of your decisions move towards achieving it. Keep in mind that your goal should be something beyond how many people opened it. It should be related to your overall business goals. The open date of your email can give you an indication of the performance of your newsletter, but it shouldn't be the only number you care about each month. Number 2, identify a target audience. Defining your target audience is necessary for the success of your campaign. To be able to provide value, you must first understand what requirements and desires your target readers have and then produce newsletters that appeal to them. Consider who you want to reach out to and try to be as specific as possible. Consider things like demographics, location and interest. When trying to reach to a worldwide audience, it might be difficult to be specific in your definition, but segmenting your audience can help send more relevant emails. You should also create a customer persona. It can help you understand the needs and desires of your targeted audience. Number 3, pay special attention to your call to action. Call to action is what makes your newsletter reach its goal of getting readers to your websites or make a purchase. It is effective for driving traffic to your site, generating sales or getting more shares on social media. They are one of the most important features of your campaign, so to be sure to optimize them when creating a newsletter. Number 4, define your newsletter content. Planning the topic of your newsletter is closely connected to the objective you have defined, but coming up with the content can be hard at first. To find motivation, examine the newsletter of your competitors and the companies that you think are successful at email marketing. This is likely to give you ideas about new potential topics, products, events, etc. You could also conduct a survey in advance and also ask your contacts to share their thoughts as you grow your newsletter list. Number 5, include links to your social media profiles. When you make a newsletter, you should think of it as a part of your overall digital marketing strategies. That means you should also try to push them to connect on other platforms like on social media. When you are sending a newsletter, keep in mind your broader digital communication strategy as well. Build a loyal and engaged audience across all channels. Social media platforms are one of the best ways to connect with your customer directly and promote your content. So why not combine them into your newsletter strategy? Include CTAs in your newsletters to direct readers to your social media profiles. This boosts your reputation and helps you increase your followers on social media, creating another touch point with your customers. With this, we are at the end of this video. I hope these tips help you to take your email newsletter to the next level.